I wanted to show you how you can add your email address and change notifications in your Canvas profile, so that way you can make sure that the emails that I send to you are getting pushed out to your external email address, as well as another email address if you want to, like Mom's. So if you click on Account, the first thing you want to do is click on Settings. Yours might look a little different because I'm a teacher, but it should be similar. Over here on this side, you can see I've already added my email address. But if you wanted to add yours, you would click on Email Address. And you can put in as many email addresses here as you would like. So if I wanted to add an additional one, I could click on Email Address, provide the email address, and register email. You also want to make sure that you're getting the notifications. Now again, I'm going to have some extra notifications on here that you might not have, but here you can toggle the different notification availabilities to you. This one is when you get notified right away. This one is a daily summary. This one's once a week, or this is to turn off the notification for that item. Again, I'm not sure on your end what your preferences look like, what is available to you, but just take a look and see if there's a setting in there that's preventing you from seeing those emails when I send them to you. Hopefully that helps.